The Lives of the Saints by Father Alban Butler, April 14th, Saint Bernard of Tiron. Bernardo de Tiron, also known by the name of Bernardo de Abbeville, had a very varied and turbulent life. In his youth he was a monk in the convent of Saint Cyprien, near Poitiers. Then he was prior of the Monastery of Saint Sabinus, whose discipline he strove to restore. Feeling called to the eremitical life, he left the monastery and entered a kind of Thebaid in the forest of Crayon. However, the monks of Saint Cyprien persuaded him to return to the monastery and become its abbot. As the Abbey of Cluny demanded from the monastery of Saint Cyprien some things that the saint was not willing to grant, he resigned his office and returned to the solitude of Crayon. In the surrounding regions he preached missions with Blessed Robert of Arbrissel and other monks. In 1109 he built a Benedictine monastery of great observance on land that had been given to him. The new community prospered and spread even outside France as far as Calde Island. The church on Calde Island was returned to the Catholics in 1913, and there the feast of Saint Bernard of Tiron began to be celebrated again.